So we're coming up to October the 3rd, which is the Day of German Unity. This is the anniversary of the fall of the Berlin Wall, right? Wrong. And if you've been following my channel for more than a couple of years, you should know this and can probably stop watching now. Oh, but please don't. If you're one of the roughly 70% of my audience too young to remember any of this, aren't you lucky I'm old? The Berlin Wall actually came down late at night on the 9th of November 1989, and you'd think that would be the right date for a celebration. But there's a snag. You see, that day was already the anniversary of several important events in German history, and not all of them are happy ones. In particular, it's the anniversary of the night in which Nazis set fire to synagogues and vandalized shops owned by Jews. The fall of the Berlin Wall was unplanned and unexpected. It wasn't the end of East Germany. That continued to exist for nearly a year. They just stopped trying to stop people crossing the border. Not until October the 3rd, 1990 was Germany reunified. Or, to be more exact, the German Democratic Republic ceased to exist and its territory ceded to the Federal Republic of Germany. Because the East German economy was in such a terrible state, it was hoped that reunification could be done as quickly as possible. Elections in West Germany had already been scheduled for the 2nd of December 1990, and by law the electoral register had to be compiled 8 weeks in advance. This meant that Germany had to be reunified before the 7th of October. An international conference had been scheduled for the 2nd of October in Helsinki, at which the results of talks on the future of Germany were to be made known. And so it was that the 3rd of October was chosen as the date of political reunification, and that is the date now celebrated as the Day of German Unity. So what can you expect on that date? Well, nothing much. It's a public holiday, so most stores and businesses will be closed. Official celebrations are held by the state that holds the presidency of the Federal Council, which this year is Schleswig-Holstein, so there will be a little festival in Kiel. Apart from that, just enjoy some time off work.